Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Study Nest. Today's video is a little bit different and fun. Instead of a serious Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas tree using Microsoft Excel. Yes, a Christmas tree in Excel. This is a creative way to learn Excel formatting, colors, and alignment. So let's start. First, open a new Excel workbook. I'm using Excel 365, but this method works in almost all Excel versions. Now, the first step is to adjust the cell size. To make our tree look nice, we need rectangular cells. Select the entire sheet by clicking this small triangle in the top left corner. Now, decrease the column width and increase the row height until the cells look like small rectangles. This step is very important, so take your time. Next, we will plan the shape of the tree. A Christmas tree is like a triangle. So, start from the top center cell. That will be the top of our tree. From there, we slowly increase the width row by row. 1 cell in the first row, 3 cells in the next row, 5 cells in the next row, and so on. This creates a perfect tree shape. Now comes the fun part. Adding colors, select the cells that form the tree shape. Go to Fill Color and choose a green color. You can use dark green, light green, or even mix both for a better look. This makes the tree more realistic. If you want, you can also add borders to the cells. Now, let's decorate our Christmas tree in a smart Excel way. Instead of adding decorations one by one, I'll use a formula. First, I select all the cells inside the tree shape. You'll notice that when I select these cells and change the color, the active cell is already selected automatically. Now I simply start typing the formula. After typing, don't press Enter alone. Press Ctrl plus Enter. This applies the formula to all selected cells at the same time. Next, go to Alignment. Choose Middle Align and Center Align. Now everything looks neat and centered. After that, we will use Conditional Formatting. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Icon Sets. Choose any icon style you like. Stars, circles, or symbols. Now you can see the decorations appearing automatically. Now, for the tree trunk, select a few cells at the bottom center of the tree and fill them with a brown color. Next, let's add a star on the top. Go to Insert, Shapes, and choose the star shape. Place the star on the top of the tree. Now, fill the star with yellow color and remove the border to make it look neat. And now, our Excel Christmas tree is complete. If you want to change the decoration style, just press F9. Excel will recalculate the RANDBETWEEN formula, and you'll get new random decorations instantly. This is a very easy and fun way to decorate a Christmas tree in Excel. Thanks to everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Excel Christmas tree tutorial.